Elkins School District is a small district. It has consistently scored close to or above the state average across disciplines and grades. We can, however, improve the success of our students by systematically reviewing the data that we have and, using that, determine the best method for guiding future instruction. All data for this presentation is taken from the 2017-2018 school year. From the My School Info site, I reviewed the school report card for each of the schools in the district. Test scores in literacy and math from 3rd to 11th grade revealed some trends across both subjects and the various grade levels. First, it showed that overall, through elementary and high school, the scores in literacy were very close to those of the state average, but the scores for the middle school years, 6th, 7th, and 8th, were quite erratic. When looking at the data for the math scores, again, students were very close to or well above the Arkansas state average, but we see a dramatic decline in the 10th grade. In the 11th grade, students no longer take the ACT Aspire, so the data I reviewed is from the ACT, which is the standard test for college admissions. The data from this exam indicates that students are doing well in reading and science, but seem to be lacking in the English and math sections. For many students, this deficiency is negatively affecting the composite scores as well. When reviewing the data broken down by grade level, other trends emerge. We definitely see stronger scores in the elementary and middle grades, but they decrease dramatically in the upper levels. This trend seems to be true of the state average as well. However, we see the most dramatic dips in the 5th, 7th, and 9th grades. Once students reach the 9th grade, they're no longer reaching the state average at any level in either subject. Unfortunately, this trend remains true for the 11th grade ACT results. Reviewing these trends brings up some questions that must be asked before they can be answered. The first question is, how is literacy being taught at the middle school level? To answer this, more data will be needed. Using the data action model, this information should be gathered and brought to the next meeting. Some of the artifacts could include pacing guides, lesson plans, assessments that were used, and even lists of the chosen texts for the different grades and classes. The next question we may ask is, why are the students struggling in math in 9th and 10th grades? To help answer this question, participants can bring the texts and workbooks used, lesson plans and assessments from the course, and the state standards for those grade levels for the group to review. Another question based on the gradual decrease in scores and other data collected is, are the students prepared both academically and behaviorally for college? To answer this question, members of the group could bring scores from previous ACTs, college entrance rates and college graduation rates as they are available, as well as grade and discipline records. Being thorough about the steps of the data action model will allow us to get a clearer picture of where our students are and what data-driven choices we can make to maximize their success.